Welcome to this session in NX. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to design this model using NX powerful tools. From beginners to experienced users, this tutorial aims to provide a clear and concise understanding of the design process. So, let's get started and explore the capabilities of NX together. Let's start by creating a new sketch. We'll begin by creating a rectangle by joining lines. Remember to use the constraints and dimensions tools to define the size and position of your sketch elements. As we create our sketch, NX's parametric modeling capabilities allow us to easily modify and update our design. Let's continue adding more sketch elements and constraints to build the foundation of our model. After specifying the diameter of the circle, we specify the position of its center. Now we connect the circle with rectangle by using an arc. Draw the arc tangent to the circle as shown. Now specify the radius of the circle. Add another arc to the other side of circle. Make sure you use the geometric constraints and dimensions as specified in the drawing. Use the trim and extend tools wherever needed. Let's exit the sketch mode and move on to the next step in our design process. Select the Extrude tool. Set the distance to 60 mm. Now, use the top face of Extrude as a sketch plane. Create the intersection points of the arcs and the plane. Draw two intersecting lines as shown. Draw an ellipse by specifying the major axis, minor axis, and the center point. Exit the Sketcher application. Use Swept for creating the free-form body. Select the ellipse as the section and add the two arcs as the guide strings. Make sure both the guide strings have same directions. In scaling, select lateral from the drop-down. Press OK after getting the desired result. Use Extrude for creating a cylinder of 25 mm. We combine the cylinder and the free-form body using the Unite tool. Use Hole tool. In Hole type, select Counterbore. Select the top face of Extrude as the placement face. Create 4 points and specify the dimensions. Refer the drawing shown for proper placing. After we are done specifying the dimensions, exit the sketcher. Input the hole diameter, counterbore diameter and depths for getting the desired result. Follow the steps and press OK. We combine the base with a previously united body using Unite tool. Extrude the inner circle and create a cylinder of 25 mm. In Boolean, select Subtract. We apply an attractive color. Select the chamfer tool and apply a chamfer of 1 mm on the edges of the cylinder on both the sides. You've successfully completed the model in NX. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning the basics of NX. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.